What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir cap on this 2001 BMW 325 Xi. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description. Head over to 1AAuto.com. We're going to open the hood. Now you want to make sure the engine's cold when you do this. Take the old reservoir cap off. Just grab it. Twist it counterclockwise. Compare it to the new one. Looks the exact same. This is the old part. This is the new part from 1AAuto.com. Has the same O-rings on it. Has the same base. Looks the same. And the same top cap part. Get yours at 1AAuto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Some of the reasons why you might replace the cap: the seals could be bad and it could be leaking coolant. Also, it could be not releasing the pressure properly, so a good thing to do is replace the cap. Now take the new cap. You want to make sure your coolant's topped off. There's no coolant in this right at this moment, but we're going to add some later. So make sure the coolant's in the right position. Take the new cap, push it on, make sure it threads down, and then just snug it up. And you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.